Today we're going to be testing the top 3 carpet washers. These are the high-end models that cost anywhere between £250 to £300. Now that is an expensive price to pay for a carpet washer, so we're going to test them so you don't have to. Welcome back to the Vax Mat. Got 3 machines up for testing. The Rug Doctor Deep Clean Machine, we have got the Bissell Revolution Carpet Washer, and the Vax Platinum Power Max. In our first test, we're going to be testing the efficiency of drying the carpet. We're going to be testing it on multiple different household spills you might have around the home, using the main clean head and the hose, so we can give an example of how it would work in your stairs, car, and we're also going to be running through the features of the machine, such as the hose length, the cable length, and how much solution they have. So for our first test, I'm going to fill each of these carpet washers with 235 millilitres of water. We're going to wash this carpet in front of us, and then we're going to measure the amount that the carpet washers have sucked out, and we'll give it to you as a percentage, because the last thing you want is to finish washing your carpet and your carpet be soaked because the machine isn't good at extracting that water back out. In first place, we had the Rug Doctor with a very respectable 85%. Only 15% of moisture that has been put in the carpet by the machine is left behind. This means that the carpet was definitely noticeably much more drier than the other 2. In second place came the Vax. Now this scored 55%, so it is pulling more than half of the water it's put down out, but it's leaving 45%. So you are going to have a much longer drying time. And in last place was the Bissell Pro Heat Revolution. This wasn't very impressive at all, leaving more than half of the water put down still in the carpet and only achieving 49% removal rate. These were all tested in their max deep cleaning ability, so it might vary depending on what setting you have them on. So overall, we had the Rug Doctor in first place with a clean sweep on the carpet. We had the Vax Platinum Power Max in second place, and in last place was the Bissell Pro Heat Revolution. We are on to the carpet cleaning test. We're going to keep this fair by using the same bottle of solution for every machine, so we're only measuring the machine's pickup performance rather than how good the solution they come with is. Okay, so the 3 things we're going to test it on. We've got Phil's red wine here. Sorry Philip, it's going on the carpet. We've got a nice cup of the Vax coffee here. I think that might be knocked over conveniently. And we have got some strawberry conserve here that will be smudged all around here. We're going to give this machine 1 minute exactly, and each of the other machines to clean it all up. At the end of that 1 minute, we're going to come back, we're going to see how clean the carpet is left. Let's see what these machines are up to. The Rug Doctor was our first machine up on test today. It tended to do quite well on the stains such as the jam. It got up the majority of the coffee, but as with all of the machines, it struggled on the red wine. We found the key to removing the red wine was a small amount of pre-treatment beforehand and then going over with the machine using the extraction wand or the main scrubbing attachment. Overall, it was a very good result. Apart from the red wine, which it struggled on, we gave it a 7 out of 10. The Bissell Pro Heat did not fully remove any of the stains, so there was residue of the jam, the coffee, and the wine left behind. We think it did a little bit better than the Rug Doctor on the wine now. So this machine has got the majority of the surface dirt off, but there was a little bit left behind. And as we said last time, we found the key to removing this was good pre-treatment beforehand. This machine got a 6 out of 10. In last place on this test was the Vax Platinum Power. It tended to spit around the bits of jam that were on the carpet and just didn't seem to be able to fully remove any of the stains no matter how many times we went over it. We had high hopes for this machine as it claimed it cleaned better than the best-selling rental, which is the Rug Doctor, but unfortunately we found its performance be quite lacklustre on this test. So overall, in the first place, we had the Rug Doctor. Next up, we had the Bissell Pro Heat 2X carpet cleaner, And in last place, we have the Vax. I think all of these machines will get the job done, but they'll take a lot longer with some of the lower down models that aren't performing so well. So far, we've got 2 clean sweeps for the Rug Doctor. One of the main reasons for buying a high-end carpet washer is the outstanding tool selection you can get nowadays. Gone are the days of having to hire a professional or buy a second machine to clean your car carpets as well as your household one, as each of these comes with a hose and a very sophisticated attachment set. So we once again cracked out Phil's red wine, chucked it down on the carpet and used all of these machines to see which one removed the most after 2 passes. The Rug Doctor once again was coming out tops with this. It removed every single drop of the red wine more or less and left the carpet nice and dry. It really was an impressive result from the hose. In second place was the Vax Vax Platinum, which removed about 80% of the wine. There was a little bit of residue left, but it was still a very respectable result and would do very well in a real home example. In last place it was the Bissell though. It just left far too much residue behind. When you compare it with the other 2 machines, and all these have been left on the carpet for a very similar amount of time, it really wasn't impressive. For this test we gave the Rug Doctor a 9 out of 10, we gave the Vax a 7 out of 10, and we gave the Bissell a 3 out of 10. Giving the Rug Doctor a 3-0 up against the rest of the machines. For the features, we are going to talk about our 3 favourites for each machine. Starting off with the Rug Doctor. It has the largest tank capacity of all 3 of these machines, and we definitely found when in test that it did hold the most and you could clean for the longest. It's also a very sturdy design, so it makes you think it will last a long time. The fold down handle is a huge benefit if you're storing it under the stairs or in a cupboard, because it does actually compact down small enough so you could fit it in the back of your car or in a cupboard. So it's perfect if you do want to take it around, lend it out to people and use it all around your home. On the back of the machine it has an automatic pre-treatment wand, which makes it perfect for cleaning them really hard to remove stains that otherwise you'd need to use a spray or other means of pre-treatment for. The Bissell Pro Heat Revolution utilises 2 brush rolls. This is meant to mean it gives the carpet a deep down clean and giving you the effect of 2 scrubbing passes of the machine. The hose is really easy to fit too. It's just a 1-click solution, unlike the Rug Doctor where you need to attach the solution and suction hose separately. It comes with a handy crevice tool, so meaning cleaning your car will be a real strong point for the Bissell. The Bissell also boasts 3 different modes for different drying times. A quick clean which will not clean the carpet as deep but will mean your carpet dries in under an hour. The Vax also utilises 2 different modes for its performance, meaning you've got a deep clean mode for when you have more time to let the carpet dry and a quick clean mode for when the carpet can dry in an hour. It uses spin scrub brushes and a rotating round brush to give the carpet a double deep clean from different angles. This boasts that it will break down dirt even easier than the best selling rental, which is the Rug Doctor. Automix technology means that you don't need to mix the solution. It does it all for you. Just add the solution to one tank and on the other tank add the clean water and it will clean and mix the solution for you. That's quite good. Okay guys, that is hours of testing completed for you now, and I'm finally ready to reveal the winner. Now there's going to be no prize for guessing which one has won after all them tests. It really stood out to me that the Rug Doctor's exceptional performance, usability, reliability and how dry it left the carpet is by far the best one for me. Yes, it is a little bit bulky when in use, but it will store small, but I think overall it is the best machine. The Vax is a good alternative, but it just can't cut it the same as the Rug Doctor when it came to cleaning and leaving the carpet just as dry. The Bissell I am not impressed with, I have to say. Its cleaning performance has been poor, and to remove under 50% of moisture from the carpet is really disappointing in my opinion. Hope this video has been useful for you. I'm going to attach the link to all 3 of these machines under this video of where you can get them the cheapest, and you can get them by clicking them links below, having a look, reading over your reviews. Enjoy washing your carpet. If you get one of these, let me know your thoughts about each of these if you've got one. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share this video with anyone you think might like it. Yeah, enjoy your carpet washing.